Imagine a diesel engine so powerful, so reliable, and so iconic that it's become the beating heart of American trucking for over 2 decades. That's the Cummins ISX15, a true titan on wheels. But what makes this engine stand out in a sea of competitors? Stick around because we're about to dive deep into everything that makes the ISX15 not just a machine, but a legend. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why this engine is the backbone of so many long-haul heroes across the USA. Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever wondered what keeps those massive 18-wheelers cruising down the highway mile after mile, day after day? The answer often lies under the hood, literally. The Cummins ISX15 is no ordinary engine. It's a 15-liter, inline six-cylinder powerhouse engineered to deliver unmatched torque and horsepower. We're talking about up to 600 horsepower and over 250 pound-feet of torque. For context, that's like having the strength of a dozen muscle cars rolled into one engine block. Now, picture hauling tons of freight across mountains, deserts, and endless highways with that kind of muscle. The ISX15 doesn't just perform, it dominates. But wait, before you start imagining a beast that guzzles fuel like a thirsty giant, here's where things get interesting. Cummins has packed the ISX15 with advanced fuel efficiency technologies. The engine's variable geometry turbocharger adjusts airflow in real time, squeezing every drop of power while keeping fuel consumption in check. Plus, the proprietary fuel injection system fine-tunes combustion to near perfection. This means more miles per gallon, less downtime, and fewer trips to the pump. Now, isn't that something every trucker and fleet manager dreams about? Okay, quick pause. Are you still with me? Because here's where many get surprised. The ISX15 is not just about raw power and fuel economy. Its reputation for durability is what truly sets it apart. These engines are known to hit well over 1 million miles with proper maintenance. That's right, 1 million miles of grinding through tough conditions, heavy loads, and relentless schedules without giving up. Some might call it stubborn, but in the trucking world, that's pure gold. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about the ISX15's advanced electronic controls. This engine is smart, really smart. Equipped with the Cummins ECM engine control module, it constantly monitors performance, adjusts parameters, and communicates seamlessly with the vehicle systems. This digital brain doesn't just boost performance. It provides diagnostic insights that help mechanics catch issues before they become costly problems. Imagine avoiding unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs simply because your engine talks back. Science fiction? Nope. That's the ISX15 in action. Here's a little humor break. Imagine if your car was as talkative as the ISX15. Hey driver, your oil pressure is a bit low. Want to fix that before I throw a tantrum? If only all our machines could be that helpful, right? But this interaction between man and machine is exactly why the ISX15 remains a favorite for fleets aiming to maximize uptime and minimize headaches. By now, you might be wondering, with all these features, how does the ISX15 handle emissions regulations? Especially in today's world, where clean air standards are stricter than ever. The answer lies in Cummins' innovative after-treatment systems. The ISX15 uses selective catalytic reduction, SCR, technology combined with a diesel particulate filter, DPF, to reduce harmful nitrogen oxides and soot. This means the engine meets or exceeds EPA emission standards without sacrificing performance or fuel efficiency. So you get a powerhouse that's also environmentally responsible, a rare combo in heavy-duty trucking. But here's the cliffhanger. Despite all these advancements, Cummins isn't resting on its laurels. The ISX15 has evolved through continuous improvements, and the latest versions include features like advanced turbo compounding and optimized fuel mapping that push the envelope even further. What's next for the ISX15? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. This engine continues to set the bar for power, durability, and efficiency in the trucking industry. So, whether you're a trucker grinding long hours on the road, a fleet owner balancing costs and performance, or just an engine enthusiast fascinated by the mechanics behind America's freight backbone, the Cummins ISX15 commands respect for a reason. It's not just an engine. It's a symbol of endurance, innovation, and raw American strength. Before you go, tell me, what's the most impressive engine you've ever come across? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to keep unlocking the secrets behind the machines that keep this country moving, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Because there's more power-packed content coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay driven.